Okay, so speaking about actually creating a business letterhead, right? You can actually do it free online or hire someone. But today we are going to focus on creating a free letterhead using a free platform. So the first thing which you can do is actually log into your Canva. Yes, even if you don't have a Canva, you can just click where it says login and continue with Google. After doing that, right, it's gonna be redirected to the Canva website, where you're actually gonna select or search letterhead. Then there is an option which you're gonna show up letterhead, and this one is the right one which you're gonna be using. Don't click on it. So I'm gonna look for a template which I like, right? That is more like in my style, that has no pro watermark here, which means everything which does not have pro watermark, it means it's a free one. Let's say I choose this. I have to just click on the template. Then there is an option which you're gonna see where it says customize this template. You just click on it. On a separate page, we're going to be redirected. That's where we're actually going to do all the editings, right? And as you can see on the screen, there is a pop-up of a template, which is still loading depending with your internet. Mine is a bit slow. So after everything have loaded up, right, all you can do is click on whatever you want to edit. So you can actually zoom in using this side, and now I can actually change information there is. So I can actually change here by just clicking or double click. After double clicking, I can actually click on the backspace, and now I can say Mbonisi. Then I can say 123 UK. Then on here I can actually change everything. I can actually delete, right? Or if I want to redo, I can just click here on our screen, redo, and our text will be back